A long time. Got a lot of new stuff going on. First new thing is that I'm selling the CBR. So as you guys know, I have my Honda CBR650R right here. Bought it a year ago. I've only put like 1,500 miles on it. Never ride it. So right now, I guess the best thing for me to do would be to sell it. And I think the biggest reason for me selling it instead of keeping it, even though it just takes up space and I never ride it, is because I bought a C6 Corvette. So this is a 2006 Chevy Corvette 3LT, I think it's the trim. It's got the Chevy LS2 engine in it. Super duper clean car. I got it from like some 6-year-old guy who lived in Florida and California. It's been garage kept its whole life. Never seen snow, never seen salt. It's seen a little bit of rain, probably not a whole lot though. Yeah, super duper clean car. It has no rust. The only rust on it is the exhaust manifolds. Underneath is super clean. The rest of the exhaust is super clean. The inside is super duper clean too. I haven't really done anything to the car. I tinted the tail lights, tinted the third brake light. I'm gonna get the windows tinted, and then I vinyl wrapped the halo right here. So this thing used to be all orange. The color of this car is Daytona Sunset Orange. So it's got the cashmere interior, which I don't really like. I wish I had the black interior. The floors and everything are super clean. I don't know if you really see it, but carpets are like perfect. Seats obviously got some wear on it. This car's 20 years old. But I mean, everything else under there is just amazing. Doors are looking really good. If I come in here, just a super clean car. Unfortunately, it's an automatic, but it does only have 84,000 miles on it. So if I throw this on right here, I could go to, actually I don't know if it's gonna show me because the car's turned off. I don't really want to turn it on right now. Promise it's only got 84,000 on it. It does have the heads up display, which is really cool. My heads up display is a little bit off, so I have to like move my head over here to try to see it really well. I can still see it from a normal seating position, but it's not nearly as clear. It does have the older style radio in here. What I want to do is get some sort of CarPlay radio for this. Right now I'm just rocking the little old FM adapter, or the FM transmitter. Works pretty well though. It does have the heated seats. They work really well. 6-speed automatic transmission with the paddle shifters. The cruise control, it's over here. It all works really well. Tried it out a couple times. It's got the, whatever the freaking heck, the OnStar, that's what it's called. Forgot it for a second. But it does have the OnStar. Obviously, I'm probably never gonna use that. It's got the lights up there. It has the built-in garage door opener. I couldn't get it to connect to my Chamberlain garage door, so I just have the actual garage door opener right here. It has a glass removable target top. It's not actually glass, it's a freaking form of plexiglass or something like that, but looks pretty good. It does have a bunch of these tiny little micro scratches and stuff in it, which you can't really see unless you're in the garage like right now. Like when I'm out driving around, I can't see it. Don't notice it, so I mean, not too bad. The back is super clean. That's kind of the storage area for the target top. It did come with a little cover back there, so it kind of like hides whatever's in your trunk, but I took it out. I don't really like it. It looked ugly. So yeah, I'm going to get all these windows tinted. I think it'll look way better. I'm probably gonna do like 5% brow on the front, and then do maybe 35 on the sides and then 20 in the back. It does look better if it's all the same color, but I don't really want the windows to be as dark as the back, so probably not going to do that for now. The only thing that the previous owner of this car did to it was the exhaust back here. So it does have a Corsa Extreme exhaust on it. You can see right here it says Corsa. Gonna keep that on there for sure. I was thinking about doing like an exhaust cutout or something, like an electronic cutout. I guess we'll see. So there is a tiny little minor scratch right here. The only reason you can see it right now is because I try to polish it all up and everything. and some polish got in there. I just haven't cleaned it out yet. But I wrapped the halo on here. It was orange also. I don't know if I mentioned that yet or not. Did that. Painted the wheels black, so the wheels are black now instead of chrome. It did have a, oh, I also changed those to black too. It did have like a billet grill in here that I just took out. Trying to get rid of the chrome. It didn't look too bad in there, but I just don't want any chrome in there anymore. So I took that off, and now it's just black like how it came from the factory. So previous owner did unfortunately screw into the bumper for a license plate bracket. I took the bracket off. I'm probably gonna sand these little holes down, get some Bondo, and then some touch-up paint, and just put some touch-up paint on the holes. Headlights are still doing okay. They got some minor cracks and stuff like that. I'm not worried about it. Looks good. These cars did come factory with the HID headlights, I believe. So they are very bright headlights. HID and LED are somewhat similar. So the light output is like a really nice white light that you would see in like an LED. Engine bay, super duper clean. One of the things I'm a little upset about though is that the previous owner, I guess he had some kind of leak in the radiator, and before deciding to get a new radiator, he decided to put stop leak inside of the reservoir here. So there is a little bit of stop leak, like the little particles and stuff left over. So I'm gonna have to get the whole coolant system flushed. Other than that, I changed out the brake fluid. Brake fluid's all good now. Need to get that flush. I need to get an oil change soon. So I mean, like, just minor stuff. But yeah, overall it's a super nice car. Definitely gonna record a bunch of videos with it for you guys. So yeah, I guess we'll see how that goes. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. So honestly, I'm still very surprised that I even have this thing. I got it for a really good price too. So like I said, 2006 Chevy Corvette 3LT with 84,000 miles. I got the car for $19,000. So usually you don't find these things for under 25, much less under 20,000. That's in this good a condition with this low miles. I'm sure there's some other stuff I want to do to it still too. I kind of want to get a front lip, the side skirts, and then throw a rear spoiler on it after I get the windows tinted. So yeah, I mean, I guess we'll just see how that goes. I'm very excited for this car though. I can't wait to make a bunch of videos and kind of do some fun things with it. So yeah, that's gonna end this video. Just a quick video to let you guys know what's going on. I'm probably gonna make a video here whenever it decides to stop freaking raining. Riding the CBR again. It's supposed to rain for the next 9 days. So whenever it decides to not rain, I want to hop on there and kind of talk about how the past year of ownership with that bike's been. Haven't had it long. It's got 1,500 miles on it, but it's been fun. So yeah, make sure you guys check out my other videos and subscribe if you want to see some more of this car, because it is going to be awesome. So thanks. See ya.